I can't imagine us going back in time and not be using an automated logistics system the caliber of what we have with our viastore solution.
When we decided to expand this project, we realized we had a serious issue with capacity. And given the growth trends of the U.S. market and our role as a regional hub within the North and South American market, we felt we needed to do a significant expansion to our logistics center of the Americas.
So the scope of our project was to expand the logistics automation system in all phases, from receiving to the pick packing, as well as our consolidation and shipping. And to go along with that, we had to also expand the viastore software program to enable the expanded automation system.
The initial project was done in 2008. Since that time, there have been a number of retrofit projects, with this one being the most complex. In this system, the existing equipment had to continue running the day-to-day operations while the new system was being built. Working closely with the Phoenix team, a detailed implementation plan was developed. Weekly conference calls were used to keep all parties on the same page. The plan allowed most of the new system to be fully commissioned and tested before being tied in. The new system expansion required 6 separate cut-ins. Each cut-in was highly planned out, adding new system functionality with no system downtime. At the end of the project, a detailed testing, training, and standby phase ensured a successful completion and handover of the project.
From the viastore software to the controls to the equipment, this was a complete solution designed to meet our long-term business needs. In the current solution, again, we expanded all 4 of our major areas. In the receiving area, we added a robotic depalletizer, which effectively doubled our entire receiving capacity. We added 4 ASRS cranes, going from a 7-aisle system to an 11-aisle system. This increased our storage and retrieval capacity by well over 50%. In the pick-pack area, we went from 10 pick-pack stations to 14 pick-pack stations, which increased our pick-pack capacity by 40%. In addition to that, we added robotic lifts, which lead to a conveyor sortation system with gravity chutes, which are giving us another 10 to 15% throughput gain.
So we've added much needed capacity in our logistics center to support the growth that we expect for the Americas going forward in all phases of our warehouse operation, from receiving to pick packing and ultimately through shipping. And we think this sets us up for the next decade to provide a competitive warehouse operation to support our customers, and we couldn't have done it without the support of the viastore team.